My guest today needs no introduction because she's definitely keeping it real and relatable in an era where hum sab kho gaye hain in the digital world. So let's welcome the one and only Ananya Pandey. Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Very excited to eat all these hot things.
Yeah. What's your spice tolerance level like?
A lot.
So you're good to go.
I'm great to go. I mean, I love spice. I can't eat food without like chili flakes and like Tabasco pour all over my food. But maybe I'm just like really bad at this. I don't know. Let's see. I don't want to like build up my level too much.
What we're going to do is you'll have to take a nacho, just dip it in any sauce that you want and answer my question.
So it could be the hottest one
Yeah,
also.
it could be the hottest one also.
But I'm the kind of person like I like when tears are coming out when I'm eating food. Like I like constantly blowing my nose.
Okay, so you need some tissues. Let's do
it. It
it.
could be a mess. You have to embrace it.
Okay, are you ready for the first question? Okay.
So I have to eat it
and
then
it.
answer.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so the first question is, how do you measure the success of your movie when it releases on OTT?
Bad idea to give me food in the middle of an interview. I think by the love of the people. It's a film about social media, but sadly we're all seeking the validation and the response on social media itself. But I think for me more than anything with this film, it's been about people's experiences of watching the film and then connecting with something in their own lives. So people aren't just messaging like one line of like, oh, good movie. It's like long, oh, it's really spicy later. It gets really spicy. It's like long, like, you know, explanations on what they connected with the most, how they feel seen in a way. And the cutest responses, I think with this film especially, are people who are sending us pictures of their trios, you know, their friendship trios. Like, this is my Imad and Neil, which I think is the sweetest.
Sweetest, right? Yeah. And in fact, I think I have personally loved the movie, both my sister and me. Okay. And we watched it on 31st night. So that was like the perfect 31st night kind of a movie.
So many people did that, and then they're like, oh, you know, we want to follow these resolutions, and you know, it was a lot of people actually did that, which is such a nice thing. Yeah.
We'll move on to the next sauce and the next question. How Gen Z are you?
I'm quite Gen Z with like things like I know what lingos and all are. But I think in my behavior, I'm not. I'm a boomer. Yeah, I just like sitting at home and like watching a movie and like sleeping at 11 o'clock.
Oh, perfect. Yeah. But we'll try your Gen Z lingo knowledge.
Lingo and all I know.
Okay, we'll start off with drip. What does drip mean?
Drip is like you're fit. Like if... Maybe I'm bad at this. Wait, drip is like jewels? Like your drip? No?
Something related to,
outfit, drip.
Yeah, outfit. Cool, style, trendy outfits. Perfect. Gucci.
It's all good. It's all Gucci.
Perfect. Stan.
A fan of a couple.
Stan, S-T-A-N.
Yeah,
it's a mix of two words.
A fan.
A fan, but what kind of a fan?
Stalker fan?
Yeah.
Okay, it's based on Eminem's song Stan, which I know the backstory of.
Absolutely. Cap.
Lie.
Clout.
Like fame. Like,
influence. Right? Salty.
Like, bitchy-ish? Yeah.
And the last one, goat.
Greatest of all time.
Perfect. Moving on to the next one. Not bad, yeah. Completely. Okay. What is your reaction to online trolling and how do you react to it basically?
It's khatta. So I think that's my response. Like,
Just ignore it. Ignorance is bliss, right?
No, I actually used to think that. But I think it's important to have a filter.
Yeah.
Oh my God, these are really spicy.
Told you.
Really important to have a filter and take in what's important and let go of like the useless negativity. But like take in what's actually feedback. I'm going to try not to have the water.
Yeah.
No, I'm fine.
Yeah. Okay. I understood your answer. Okay, the next one. If you could teleport yourself to a place right now, which place would it be?
Africa.
And why?
I love nature. I love being around animals. So yeah, so random.
Yeah.
Africa.
Okay, done. We're going to play a fun game now. I'm going to give you...
This is not the fun game.
This is the spicy game, basically.
I'm like dying. But I'm finished. I'm like here.
Yeah. Okay? That's a very good progress.
Tell me when to stop because I'm just eating.
You started with this, right?
Yeah.
So you can just stop at this. Perfect? Okay.
Yeah.
Going to give you English lyrics translation. आपको हिंदी वाला song guess करना है. ठीक है? Are you ready?
Yeah. Should I take a bite or should I not?
Take a bite. The bangles speak, the bracelets speak. Yes, I've become your beloved. Without you, I feel aloof.
तेरे बिन जी नहीं लगता मैं तुम्हें
बोले
कंगना.
Giving her the point for this. Okay, next one.
Dying.
Milk. I think milk is gonna help.
I'm not weak.
Okay. Live here, die here. Other than this,
Jeena yahan, marna yahan.
very impressed, very impressed. The sun has set, moon has
Suraj
started
hua
to burn.
madham, chand.
She's too good at this, yeah. And the last one hot teacup and somebody to serve it.
Ek garam chai ki pyali ho.
Yeah. You can take a bite now.
I think I deserve to not take a bite because I got everything right.
Okay, moving on to just last few questions. Can you tell us a fun BTS story from the sets
Drool dripping out of my mouth.
of Kho Gaye Hum Kahan? Fun BTS story that nobody knows about.
You know, no one's asked us this question, which I love because I don't have any secret stories to tell. My God, I can't think of anything. Half the things I can't say that I think about.
Confidential.
Maybe the spice has gone to my head.
Are you able
Don't
to
speak,
think?
Ananya, don't talk. I think I can't talk about it. Half the things. But I think people know that the song Hone Do Jo Hota Hai
Yeah.
was all actual footage that I shot on my phone when
really?
we went on a trip to Goa. So there was a part where we were all partying and stuff, and there's a part where Sid is like dancing and he like bangs his head on top of like one of these things. A chajja, I don't know what to say right now. My mouth is like on fire.
Maybe
That was
just
real.
eat this on its own without the sauce. You'll
That
feel
was
better.
real.
Yeah.
So that was all real. So all that you see in that
So
song,
it was like a bonding exercise for you guys?
it was a
Wow.
bonding exercise. Also, fun fact. Okay, I can say this on the BTS of the film, but when I was cast for the film, so I heard that there was a film like this being made, which is about like friendship, and the girl in it is like a bit of a tomboy and everything.
Okay.
So Arjun was coming to Goa to narrate the film to Sid, who Sid and I
Yeah.
were shooting Gehraiyan together. So I knew Arjun was coming. So I was like, I need to find a way to get this film or get into this film, but I didn't know how to do it. So I remember Arjun came and I dressed up in like basketball shorts and a gunji and a cap, and I was like, guys, let's go play football and all. And I became like Ahana. And Arjun was like, wow, she'll be perfect, like audition for the film
Done.
and everything. So that's my fun, like sneaky way
How
of getting
sweet, how
into the
sweet.
film.
Very cute. Moving on, I want to know a fun fan encounter that you've ever had. Either a weirdest one or the most bizarre one. Which one? Fan encounter.
This guy has a tattoo of my dad on his chest.
What?
Let's leave it to that.
Really?
Yeah, he
like
loves
a
my dad.
permanent
He's really
tattoo.
sweet. He's really sweet.
Okay.
I don't know if it's permanent or not.
Okay.
But he always has it. There's just like a big chunky pandey on his chest.
Wow, that's so sweet.
It's not my fan
But,
encounter,
yeah.
but this one was sweet.
Sweet.
Like the story.
Barbecue, yeah. Moving on to the next one, I'm going to give you some really nice filmy dialogue. खाते खाते आपको बोलना है.
Okay.
ठीक है?
I'm very
Starting
bad
off
at
with-
I don't like acting on it, so I'm getting paid for it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं. नाम है
शहंशाह.
पूरा बोलो.
रिश्ते में हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं, नाम है शहंशाह.
Perfect.
I'm very bad at this game.
It's
हाँ,
okay.
this dialogue बोलो.
बड़े बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें.
होती रहती हैं.
How sweet.
बड़े बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं.
मैं अपनी favorite हूँ.
I've been like saying this
Yeah.
line all my life.
All your life.
मैं अपनी favorite.
A line from Pooh. A line by Pooh. Do you remember any line by Pooh from
How
K3G?
dare you? What is it? Wait.
तुम्हें कोई हक नहीं
नहीं
बनता
बनता कि तुम इतनी
इतनी
खूबसूरत
खूबसूरत
हो.
लगो.
Not fair. But my favorite line is when she's like, Jim Quest. And then he puts the thing on her.
Yeah. Okay, where have you reached?
Last two.
Last two, right? Okay. Take a bite. I'll tell you the next question.
Ah! I'm like not cheating at all
yeah,
in this game.
she's not cheating at all. I totally agree. Okay, I want you to sing a song from Kho Gaye Hum Kahan.
Ranjesh, kajhe hoye kurban. No, I don't know the lyrics. It's a song that I know. I wanna see you dance. I know one line of all the songs. Baahon mein tere. Yeah.
Perfect. Last one. Let's
Last
go
one.
for it.
The spice has gone to my brain. I just want to tell you, I'm just saying anything, doing anything.
Okay. A message for all your fans.
Oof, y'all are so hot.
Oh, perfect. Thank you so much. You were amazing. Full points to you.
I
She's
didn't
not
have a
cheated.
water. I didn't have it, guys.
She didn't have water, no milk. She's not cheated.
I don't know who I'm trying to prove what to, but yeah, I won.
I'm so proud of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.